Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your Apple CarPlay in your 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. So, in order to access this feature, make sure you have your iPhone charger or plug, and once you do, make sure you have the wires plugged in on this one on the USB side, on the number 2, not the one on the left hand side. Make sure you have it on the right hand side, so with the phone logo. And of course, connect the other end of this wire right here into your phone. So let me go do that right now. Give it a couple seconds. Make sure the vehicle recognizes the device, and off you go. You're gonna have the Apple CarPlay on this vehicle. But if it doesn't give you to this feature yet, it will ask you a question. For example, if you would like to have the Apple CarPlay manually activated or automatic. But since I click automatic, so every time I click on or connect my phone into Apple CarPlay, it will just automatically connect it into the vehicle. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.